let's go right. So it is the start of day 2. So we started with a bit of theory today after our breakfast. Place on the road. Why do you make certain choices? How do you ride? Corners. What are your? What should you consider in the corners? The 4Ks. So at least in Dutch we call it the 4Ks. But being ready, looking, being ready on time. Turn in and throttle out. Made the bikes ready and now we're on the road. It's about, I think it's just shy of 250 kilometers. Hopefully a lot more fun today, a lot less of these B roads than yesterday. We will see. Temperature wise about 6 degrees, bit overcast, bit clouds, but not too much. It should go up to 16 degrees. Perfect riding weather, so nothing to complain at all. Nice group of people, same crew as yesterday. If there's anything you want to know on Motorlangweekend, let me know down below in the comments. Because I did not create the routes myself, I will not share them. But the GPXs are made available before the weekend, so you can prepare and make all the arrangements. That's well done, so good. Way to the top.
Several bad puns later.
Alright, we had some coffee. And now we're gonna head out again. Really nice view up there. Put a few pictures up. But we have a really nice view up there from over the complete valley. I see some nice bits of road coming up as well. Bit of small talk, we looked at each other's tires. Luke found out that he needs to have some new tires. Huh, Luke?
Yes.
So,
from 2018 and 19, so a bit overdate.
So if you have some suggestions for a 1200 GS, let us know down below in the comments. Maybe you're still in time before Luke needs to change his. And I looked at my tires, they're definitely not gonna go over a certain date. They will wear out in just after the Dutch 1000 probably. Cool ding. Zo, hij komt wel heel ver naar binnen. So, back up there is where we had the coffee, where the viewpoint is. And we are back in the twisties. Heerlijk.
Ah, nee, dat is nog volgens het boekje.
Wrapped up for lunch, we've managed to get a schnitzel, so nice. And now we have another 125k, so we're about halfway of the to the route. Should get back to the hotel at 5. If we manage to do that, would be very nice. Let's see, do I have everything? Yeah, seems like it. The temperature's also gone up a little bit. So I've shattered some of the layers, opened some of the vents. Nice. If the sound is different in the video now, yeah, I forgot to unmute, or somehow the microphone for the exhaust got muted, so not sure if it's very annoying or whether it changed much, but yeah, if there's a change in the audio, you know why. Oh, really enjoying myself today. Yesterday was a little bit of it was transport day, so that's always a bit of a hit or miss day. And yesterday there was not the most interesting roads, but now we had lots of nice roads, technical roads, fast flowing roads like this. Yeah, good bit of fun, nothing too crazy. Well, there were 2 bits of roads that were really nice, so I said maybe go again. So we did that twice, and the second time, we could really either push it a little bit, or like Luke did, actually practice some of the tips that he got. Right, I just sent it. Good fun. At the views. I've seen a lot of biking, especially in the afternoon. The morning was pretty quiet. Also probably due to temperature, because now it's nice. I even put on my thin summer gloves. Yeah, in the morning was still 5-6 degrees. Pretty chilly. I think our hotel is right over there somewhere. So we're just gonna cross the bridge in a little bit of time. Gonna close off the video here. If you enjoyed, I'll see you in the video for tomorrow's ride next week or in 2 weeks time. I don't know how long it takes me to edit. Enjoyed a lot today. Had fun, nice bit of riding, good fun.